Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how I prepare this okra and ogbono soup. This is so quick and it's so easy to prepare. So let's get right into this. So here are the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. Here I have my boiled meat and dried fish, cow skin, which is also known as Ogbono, dried fish. I'm using two types of dried fish. My already cut okra, cut into any way you can blend, palm oil, roughly chopped capsicum and habanero, grounded crayfish, grounded ogbono, seasoning cubes, and salt. And for the spinach, it's still in the freezer. I prep my spinach ahead of time and package them separately in the freezer. So in my pot, I'll go ahead to pour in the palm oil. I'm not going to fry this ogbono. I just want to break the lumps in this ogbono. As you can see, this ogbono is just lumpy. So the purpose of doing this is just to break the lumps of this ogbono so that it's not going to be lumpy in the soup. So I've just done that. I've achieved that, and I'll go ahead to add in my already pre-boiled meat, stockfish, and dried fish. So you can season this meat with whatever seasoning of your choice, but I just love seasoning mine simple, just with onion, salt, and stock cube. And I'll go ahead and allow this to boil. After bringing this to boil, I'll go ahead and add the other type of dried fish, cow skin, which is Ogbono, crayfish. Then I'll go ahead, mix this thoroughly. Please bear in mind that ogbono burns like no man's business, like it burns a lot. So we just have to keep on stirring this soup, because any little opportunity, if you don't stir it, it will just get burnt. So I'll just give this a good mix and go ahead to add in some water into this soup. So the meat stock was already added while I was adding the meat, so it was curdled by the time I added it. So just bear that in mind. Do not throw away your meat stock. You use it for your soup as well. Then I've gone ahead at this time to add in the chopped capsicum and habanero, and I'll also add in my seasoning cubes and give this a mix again. And I'll make sure I mix it down to the bottom of the pot to avoid burning. So I've allowed this to boil for like 5 to 10 minutes. Then I'll go ahead to add in my chopped okra. So I roughly chop my okra. Some I cut round in circles, and some I just dice. So you can chop your okra to whatever size you want. So I just love my okra being chunky. So far I'm using ogbono. And I'll also go ahead to add in my spinach at this time. The okra we get here doesn't take time to cook, so just the heat alone is enough. And I also love my okra being crunchy. I don't like cooking my okra to death, if you understand what I'm saying. Like, I don't like overcooking my okra. So I'll just give this a mix and just bring this to a boil for 30 seconds, and our soup is ready. You can see how our okra and our spinach is still looking greenish. So this is how I love my ogbono and okra soup to be. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and please hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Till I see you in my next video, please stay safe. I love you all. Bye.